Dear friends, I am Ayush Sahu, here to present you Crisp, a JavaScript strategy for cloud application development. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient and on-demand network access to various services like Gmail, YouTube, and GitHub. As you can see from the graph, there is going to be increasing rise in cloud computing environment. Through gap analysis of cloud development, I found that the tools are mostly accustomed for medium and large scale organization. Research has not been done to develop tools for immature developers and small scale organization. This reduces the market scope for small scale organization and startup developers. Thus, there is need for an efficient technology that could be used by individuals and small-scale organizations. My problem statement is cloud application development is platform-specific approach. The solution developed for one platform could not be used for another platform. There is need for a methodology that could allow easy and faster application development, and the developed solution could be moved from one platform to another platform. Thus, I have set my objectives following: to study existing tools and techniques, to gain the knowledge of present methodologies used by others. After that, I compare various tools and techniques to get the overall idea of which tool is better for cloud application development. After that, I propose and design a strategy that would allow easier and faster application development. Finally, I validate my proposed strategy. My proposed strategy consists of 5 steps. They are code development, code convert, reformat code, isolate module, sandboxing, and partition. In first step, we take C++ application and convert it into JavaScript. Thus, this step, we develop the code base that could be used for application development. After that, we reformat the code to remove bugs, errors, and make it optimized for cloud application development. In third step, we divide the available source code into libraries. These libraries allow use of code for different projects. One library could be used for many applications. Thus, we achieve reusability in this step. Next step, we perform sandboxing of libraries. This step allows to secure the libraries so that an error present in one library could not affect the other processes being executed on a platform. Finally, we partition the project. In this step, we move the resource-intensive part to cloud. In this way, we can execute complex processes in low memory devices. To implement my strategy, I have selected JavaScript language as a medium. As you can see from the graph, JavaScript is one of the mostly used language among developers. As compared to other efficient cloud development languages like Java, C++, C#, JavaScript has been one of the mostly used languages, and this would allow easier and faster application development by other developers. I have mapped the CRISP methodology with available tools and techniques. As you can see from the graph, we can develop two types of application. They are standalone cloud application and client cloud application. Standalone cloud application allows to service through cloud. There is no client side downloaded on client end when the cloud application is accessed, whereas in client cloud application, a client system is downloaded on client end and the service is accessed through that client software. To validate my project, I built a portable recognizer and translator that recognizes text and translates it into Hindi language. The project starts with recognizer module. The recognizer recognizes text from the image and then it extracts the text and fetches it to text editor. After that, the translator module translates that text into Hindi. This project is working very efficiently. In this project, the C++ application has been converted into JavaScript application and the translator module has been moved to cloud. The recognizer and text editor module could be run on client side without any need for cloud execution. Thus, I achieved reusability through dividing it into different modules, as we can use recognizer module for the projects, text editor module for other projects, and also translator module for different projects. To finally validate my project, I compared the CPU RAM usage of each module. For the C++ application, the unoptimized JavaScript application, and finally the optimized JavaScript that has been developed through my strategy. As we can see from the graph, the efficiency of optimized JavaScript code is high as compared to unoptimized JavaScript code. Thus, through my strategy, I propose a solution that could be used by mature developers and small scale organization for cloud application development. This strategy allows reusability, easier development through JavaScript, and security through sandboxing. Thus, I finally conclude my presentation with the various objectives that I have achieved. Yeah, I proposed a validated CRISP strategy that could be used for easy and faster cloud application development. I optimized the converted code and built a sandbox.js library that could be used for securing the modules. Thank you.